now in this video we will be learning how to use the anchor tag. So why we use anchor tag? It is used for linking. So let's learn that, and before that let's create a navigation. So nav bar here. So if you are having a doubt about what is navigation bar, then just go to any of the website. So you can see here in the top you can see some of the options. So this is what it will be there inside the navigation bar. So I'm just going to create some navigation bar with some options here. So I'm just going to the body. In order to create the navigation bar, we will be using unordered list or ordered list. So I'm just using the unordered list here. So UL and LI, and we will be having home page, and then we will be having after home page, let me say contact page. Okay, then we will be having about us page. Okay, then we have three items in the navigation bar. So I'm just going to save this, and I have closed the UL tag also, and I'm just going to save this, and I'm just going to refresh this page. So you can see here it is having three items: home, contact and about us. So if we just go and see the navigation bar, you can see the main function of the navigation bar is it is having some link. So if you press on that, it will be redirected to the another page or any certain section of the website. So now let me just go here. There is no link, and also it is not properly displayed as like this. So in order to display that in a proper way, we need to learn CSS. But in order to add some functionality like linking to another web page, then you can use the anchor tag. So that is what we are going to learn in this video. So I am just going here, and let me just create a simple anchor tag in order to link. So anchor tag, we will be having the tag name as A, and href, it is an attribute, and let me just say it is index.html. So index.html and anchor tag is on, and then we will be, after the content, we will be closing the anchor tag. So here you need to understand the thing which I have already said. I have opened the anchor tag at the last, so I need to close that anchor tag at first. After that I need to close the li. So here is what, let me just save this, and let me just go and refresh this page. You can see here there is some link. So if you just see, the link has some options, means it is redirected to the index.html, which is the present website. So now contact page, I need to create another HTML file. So I'm just going here, and I'm just clicking the right click and just clicking the new file, and I'm just saving it as contact.html because it is an HTML file. So I'm just saving it as contact.html. Okay, so I'm just hitting HTML, so all the syntax will be coming, and in the title I will be using contact page, so that it will be displaying that this is the contact page in the title section here. Okay, then in the body I will just say h1, thank you for contacting. So I am just saving this, and in the index.html page, and in each and every page we need to have the navigation bar. So if you observe any website, then definitely there will be navigation bar in each and every web page. So for that I need to just copy this, and before copying I will just add the link here. So href is an attribute which will be redirected to the location after clicking the content. So href, and contact.html, it is in the same folder. So for that I am using the file name, and I am just closing this, and before finishing li, I am just closing the anchor tag. So now I will be creating another web page here, because there is another about us HTML page. So I am just going here, about us.html. So I am just saving this, and I am just going to HTML and about us. and then we will be adding here myself your name. So you can just add your name, just try it out and experiment out, because without experiment it will be difficult to understand the code. So myself, okay, that's much. Okay, I will embed that in the h2. So in order to show that how the link works, okay, I have saved, and here in the about us section I am just going to paste this, and I'm just going to have this contact.html as about.html, aboutus.html. So now it is, the navigation bar is completely perfect and it is ready. So I'm just going to save this. I will just copy this at first and I will just paste it in each and every of the website or pages of the website, because in each and every web page of the website there is a necessity for having the navigation bar. So I'm just saving each and every page and I'm just going to refresh it. So you can see here, so I have also copied this, so I'm just removing this, and about us. So now it's ready and I need to recopy this. So now I'm just going to refresh. So this is the home page and this is the contact page and this is the about us page. So you can see here when I click, at present it was having some blue color, and after clicking it has went to some other color which is a violet color, I think. So this is a basic property of the anchor tag. This can be changed by using CSS. So HTML is only for creating the content and CSS is mainly for designing the content, styling the content. So this is about the anchor tag when we are connecting to the external web page. So if you want to connect to the Google, then just inside the href, just, so this is the website of the link of the Google. So I'm just going here and adding the link location as Google's website. So if I just go to the, so I have edited and updated that in the context.html. So if I just go to the contact.html, then only if I click the home page, then it will go to the Google. So you can see here it has been went to the Google. So if I just go to the about us page and if I just click home page, then it will be coming to the home page only, because I have updated that only in the contact.html web page. And we are having another attribute called target. So what this target does means, so target, if I just click that as a blank and if I just save this, and it is in the contact.html I have updated, and in the contact.html I am present, and if I just click on home, it will be opening a new tab. Means whatever the link in the href, that is the anchor tags location, or whatever it is pointing, but it will be opening in the new tab if you use the target blank, target attribute equal to blank. So this is the functioning of that. So in some website there is necessity for you to open the link in the new tab, or in some website there is no necessity. At that present you no need to use this target, but if there is a necessity you to point to the web page in the new tab, then you need to use this target equal to blank. So now I am just going to the contact page, and if I refresh, the contact page is also opening in the new page, and about us page is also opening in the new tab. By using this anchor tag we have linked the external websites. So now you might have seen so many websites where the contact page is present in the single page. So there will be only single page which will be having the home, contact and about us information. So at that time, how can we use that navigation bar? Because if we just click on the contact.html, then it will be going to the new web page. So that we don't want. So at that time we can use IDs and classes.